guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I style this hair. This hair is from, it's called Make It Epic, and like they have their own brand. This is like their wax stick that they use. So yeah, basically I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to basically straighten it. This is body wave hair. It's 3 bundles of 30-inch and 1 18-inch frontal, and yeah, I'm just going to straighten it. I just installed the wig, like I made the wig and I'm installing it now. And I'm going to do like my baby hairs and basically show you how I do everything. So yes, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. But first, the flat iron I'm going to use is from Remington. It's from Target. It's actually like just a standard flat iron. I like really want to invest in a better one, but yeah. And then I'm going to also use this hot comb. It's from like Annie. I want a better one too. Yeah, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'm just gonna start styling my hair. So yeah, I just made the wig and stuff and plucked it and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna use this rat tail comb, and I'm gonna use the chase method, and I think I want to spray something on it because I just love when people have like really silky hair. So I'm gonna use this oil, and this is the coconut oil damage remedy extra strength from OGX. That's what it looks like. It smells really good, so I'm going to use that on each strand. Just going to slowly straighten it with the comb, chasing it and everything. Just take the neck section. So I'm just going to keep doing it all over my hair, each section, and straightening it. I don't really like wearing my hair straight, so this is something kind of new for me. But I want to get it bone straight. I hope you can see this because it's black on black, but it looks nice already.
Hey. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, hey. Like a light, hey. Like a light, hey. Slept through the flight, hey. Not for the night, 767, man, this shit got double bedroom, man. I still got scores to settle, man. I crept down the block, made a right, yeah. Cut the lights, yeah. Pay the price, yeah. Niggas think it's sweet, just on sight, yeah. Nothing nice, yeah. Bangers in my ice, Jesus Christ, yeah. Checks over stripes, yeah. That's what I like, that's what we like. Lost my respect, you not a threat. When I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like on Shaq. See the shots that I took, wet like I'm Brooke, wet like on Lizzie. I'll be spinning valley circle blocks till I'm dizzy. Like where is he? No one seen him. Trying to clean him. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with doubles in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, 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 like a light. Yeah, Pastor Dawson Sally sending texts and sending kites. Yeah, he say keep that on like I say. You know this shit is tight. Yeah, it's absolute. Yeah, I'm back with Boo. La Ferrari, some Jamba Juice. Yeah, we back on the road. They jumping off no parachute. Yeah, the shorty in the back. She say she working on the glutes. Yeah, by the book. Yeah, this how it look. Yeah, about to check. Yeah, just check the foots. Yeah, pass this to my daughter. I'ma show her what it took. Baby mama cover Forbes. Got these other bitches shook. Yeah. Why you gotta fight with cheesecake? You know I love to go there. Say I'm acting light skin, I can't take you nowhere. This a place for families that drive Camrys and go to Disney.
Okay guys, so basically I'm just going in and straightening my hair like each time. I'm just gonna keep doing this over and over and like, I don't know, basically just doing this all over my hair. And I try to do the chase method, but most of the time it just doesn't work because I'm too lazy. So yeah, I did this side more straight than the other side because I was less lazy on this side. But if you do the chase method and put the oil, then you should be fine and your hair should be like really, really bone straight. This hair is really nice, really silky, really soft. I really like it a lot, and I think the frontal really blends into my hair. And I really like it when I like flatten it out with the hot comb, and the wax stick worked really well to like make it really straight. So I recommend it. So check out the links down below to Make It Epic hair. Again, I got 3 bundles, 3 of 30 inches and the frontal of 18 inches. So yeah.
Don't wanna fall in love, I know. Not someone you should trust, I know. If Chanel out like a hug, I know. Knew a couple of your friends way before. Many girls have slept in this bed. Say a different number than the one that's in my head. Lying to protect you, I be doing that a lot. My past checking like
where?
Just die. Married in our 20s now, where the fun in that? I said he loved me like a college running back.
I never used a wax stick before, so it's my first time, but I see people do it in videos, so I'm gonna put that all over my head. I don't know if I put too much or too little. And while I wait, I'm just gonna do other passes in the hair, like on this side. I want it to be more straight.
Touch it, no skirt, looking at your whole shit, bustin', woo, riding in that coupe with the wings, going to your land with them chains, Percocet, party serving fiends, sweater got my blood with Vietnamese, Alabama drugs, rap on please, rap serving all day, my gas on E, let's go, 30 hollow tips in the stendo, bow.
Okay, so I'm gonna use the hot comb now. I'm just gonna press it to my hair.
Hold up, you get right with you. I'ma get right with you. Bad bitches, fuck 'em and dismiss 'em. Bang. I ain't really here to take no pictures. Flash. Middle finger up for the system. Fuck 'em. Hold up, get right with you. I'ma get right with you. Bad bitches, fuck 'em and dismiss 'em. Bang. I ain't really here to take no pictures. Flash. Middle finger up for the system. Fuck 'em. Right with you, I'ma get right with you. Wow. Get right with you, I'ma get right with you. Hold up. Whoa. Get right with you, I'ma get right with you. Get right with you. Pop me a missile. Hey, take me a picture. Flash. Get right with you.
Here I'm just gonna do my edges, and basically I'm like laying it down. I already have this baby hair tutorial, so I'm literally doing the same thing that I did in the tutorial, and I use the Got2b spray to like lay them down or whatever. So yeah, I'm not really good at edges or whatever, but sometimes like I cut them to make them shorter and just like finesse them basically. So you can just do the same thing that I'm doing here.
Whip up the bike, win it. Pick up the bike and she get no penny. Rockstar living life, Lenny. You can do better, never settle. Keep a Beretta, can't see the pressure. I tell the plug, mellow, which way? That way, tell them. Hold up, yeah. Get right with you, I'ma get right with you. Bad bitches, fuck 'em and dismiss 'em. Bang. I ain't really here to take no pictures. Flash. Middle finger up for the system. Fuck
'em. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. This is how I just get my hair really straight. I need a better straightener, but this is how I do it. If I want to get it straight, So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, comment, subscribe, and also check out the links to the hair will be down below. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!